Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Start by confirming the handle fault. Handle moves but door won't open or the latch won't release. Inspect from outside and inside to see if the handle spring returns and if the lock cylinder turns. Gather tools: 10 mm socket, Phillips screwdriver, needle nose pliers, trim tool, and a 15-minute estimate for diagnosis. Park on level ground, engage parking brake, and disconnect the battery when working near power locks to prevent shorting the actuator or tripping airbags. Remove the interior trim with a trim tool, releasing the 3 clips and one 10 mm bolt beneath the armrest so you can reach the door handle area. Work slowly to avoid breaking the plastic clips. If a clip breaks, a replacement clip kit costs around each. Peel back the plastic vapor barrier carefully and set aside. Keep tape for resealing to prevent moisture. Use needle nose pliers to unclip the silver retaining clip from the handle rod and free the linkage for inspection. If plastic handle tabs are broken, remove the handle assembly and replace it. Aftermarket handles cost about 5 to 0 and install in minutes. Inspect the metal rod and the small plastic clip. Replace any brittle parts and reconnect the linkage securely. Lubricate the latch with white lithium grease and inspect the striker. Adjust striker by 3 mm if misaligned so the latch closes flush. Reinstall the vapor barrier, snap the trim back into place. Reconnect the battery, and test the door 5 times to confirm.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.